If you are an arts or humanities students, I'm sure that you might have come across questions such as आगे क्या करने वाले हो, आर्ट्स के बाद करियर ऑप्शंस क्या है, विल यू गेट अ वेल पेड जॉब और अ गुड करियर ऑप्शन. Guys, I'm gonna clear all your myths and confusion related to arts and humanities stream and gonna give you the 12 best option which are well paid and will give you an amazing career options. So if you have completed your 12th standard right now and confused कि arts के बाद क्या best career option है, you should definitely watch this video till the end. Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor, and this series is the Career Coach India series wherein I talk about all the career option for all the students from all the streams and background. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe so you get all the updates related to career options and the best courses that is best suited for you. So guys, let me start with clearing all the myths that is associated with the arts streams or humanities. जैसे कि अक्सर बोला जाता है कि आपके पास बहुत कम करियर ऑप्शंस हैं. ये सरासर झूठ है. There are lot of career options that an art students have got. सेकेंड, ये बोला जाता है कि आप ज़्यादा कमा नहीं सकते हो. आर्ट्स में आप कर ही क्या लोगे? सोशल सर्विस, कंसल्टेंट, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, उसमें बहुत कम पैसे होते हैं. गाइज, एन आर्ट स्टूडेंट कैन अर्न much more than an engineer and doctor as well if he selects a right career path. ये जो myth है ना, ये false information फैलाना बंद कर दीजिए. There are a lot of options and I'll prove it now after telling you क्या क्या options है. So there are a lot of options but I have shortlisted 12 for you guys which are like well paid. Demand भी अच्छा खासा है market में. अगर आप ये career pursue करते हो, you will be definitely having a successful career. The first career option is law. Yes guys, law studies, be it a property lawyer or a legal consultant, every company needs a lawyer. I mean, be it criminal, be it property, तो आप समझ सकते हो अच्छी खासी मार्केट डिमांड है. बट कुछ लोग ये भी बोलेंगे यार लॉयर लोग तो सिर्फ पेपर वर्क करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड करेक्टली गाइज. यू नीड टू बी रियली एक्सीलेंट इन वॉट एवर यू डू. सो इफ यू आर स्टडिंग यू नीड टू पिकअप योर नीश. मतलब लॉ में भी आपको नीश पिकअप करना है. उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको केसेस लेने हैं जो थोड़े चैलेंजिंग हो सकते हैं एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू नीड टू एक्सेल इन योर करियर. एंड गाइज, इफ यू नीड अ डिटेल वीडियो ऑन लॉ करियर, कैसे परस्यू करना है, कौन से कोर्सेज बेस्ट रहेंगे, ऑब्वियसली यू कैन स्टार्ट विद BA LLB. देन आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन डू योर MA और आफ्टर डूइंग योर नॉर्मल BA यू कैन डू योर MA LLB. ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन कि आप किस तरीके से उसको बैलेंस करना चाहते हो. सो इफ यू नीड डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन, डू लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. आई विल मेक अ डिटेल वीडियो ऑन लॉ करियर. सेकेंड इज मास कम्युनिकेशन एंड मीडिया, जिसका पार्ट होता है जर्नलिज्म, एडवर्टाइजिंग, PR, फिल्म मेकिंग, सारी चीज़ें इसके अंडर आ जाती है. तो मास कम्युनिकेशन गिव्स यू एन ऑप्शन टू बी इन द कम्युनिकेशन इंडस्ट्री. आप कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रोफाइल में काम कर सकते हो. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन कम्युनिकेशन एंड मीडिया, यू शुड डेफिनेटली ऑप्ट फॉर मास कम्युनिकेशन. Third is hospitality and tourism. Now this sector is been growing like anything. Obviously Instagram, social media काफ़ी ज़्यादा responsible हैं इन चीज़ों के लिए because 90% of the लोग Instagram पे फोटो डालने के लिए ट्रैवल करते हैं. तो जब ये ट्रैवल किया जाता है तो जितना ज़्यादा ट्रैवल और टूरिज्म बढ़ रहा है उसमें प्रोफेशनलिज्म बढ़ते जा रहा है. तो हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड टूरिज्म इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सेक्टर जहाँ पे आज स्टूडेंट जा सकते हैं. अगेन इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट सर्विसेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन. एंड fourth comes psychology. Lot of art students are interested in psychology. बहुत ही interesting है. You can be a psychology consultant or work for a company consultant. You can be a psychologist. तो आप जो भी pursue करना चाहो, you can be a legal consultant as well. I mean psychology mixed with law. जैसे कि मैंने आपको समझाया पहले कि आप law कर सकते हो तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा mix and match भी possible है. But if you opt for psychology, there is lot of sector which is open for you. There is media psychology, there's company psychologists, there are consultants, as you know, hospital and social work sector में तो psychologist की mandatory ज़रूरत होती है. I'm not talking about clinical psychology. It is completely BA psychology which is related to behavioral and mental psychology in terms of studying human behavior, understanding a certain pattern, consulting, जैसे कि there are relationship psychologists, there are career psychologists. So ये सारे profiles आपके लिए open हो जाते हैं. Fifth is fashion designing. Now, if you are creative, you like to play with garments, and you are a person who is really passionate about fashion industry, then yes, fashion industry is one of the sector that you can explore for. Fashion में दो तरीके की चीजें आप कर सकते हो. There is jewelry designing as well, जो कि एक minor specialization है, but yes, there's a huge demand and the payment is really well. So fashion designing, clubbing it with jewelry designing, if you are interested, you can combine and have an amazing career for yourself. On number 6 is international relation and diplomacy. Now here comes the profession jahan pe if you are interested in international affairs, then you should definitely opt for it. Working from the government to NGOs to international bodies, you can be one of the communicator who takes care of all the communication and dialogue that happens on the global platform. So this is very interesting profile. So if you are interested to know more in detail, then comment below and let me know. I can make a detailed video on this profile as well. On number 7 comes social work. So there are a lot of students who opt for sociology and they really love this subject. Then yes, definitely you can go in social work. And when you talk about the job profile, guys, there's a CSR which is done by all the multinational companies or say the national level companies जो कि ये करते हैं. So CSR में काफ़ी ज़्यादा रोल होता है social workers का. At the same time, there are a lot of NGOs, national level government NGOs that you can work with and for. So yes, this is really one of the good option for an art students. On number 8 comes fine arts and visual communication. It sounds very interesting. So if you're somebody who is interested in artwork, if you're interested in sculptures, if you're interested in photography, if you're interested in cinema, then yes, this is one of the option for you. You can opt for it. Because जैसे कि आपने देखा है मुंबई में NMACC, which is Nita Mukesh Ambani Cultural Center, which invites lot of international celebrities to performers to India. So imagine, yes, there is a scope. It's just that you need to be brilliant. जैसे कि मैंने आपको beginning में बताया कि एक lawyer है जो कि यार महीने के 15,000 भी कमाता है और एक lawyer है जो सिर्फ hearing पे जाने के लिए 5 लाख रुपए भी लेता है. So all depends on how well you perform and you are interested and passionate to pursue this career. On number 9 comes public administration and civil services. Obviously, I'm sure that आपने 12th fail देखी होगी. So UPSC, IPSC इस तरीके के एग्जाम्स के लिए आप टॉप कर सकते हो जिसमें कि civil services becomes one of the option for you and public administration. That is a government body, government functioning आपका होता है, policy makers you are of our country. So yes, this is quite challenging, one of the toughest exam that you give for public administration, but it's completely worth it. On number 10 is graphic designing and virtual designing. Guys, here comes your creativity, merging the technology. Obviously, you can be a designer wherein you talk about forming a logo to designs that is being used for various things. I mean, चाहे वो brand हो, चाहे फिर वो fabric हो, तो designing आपका एक talent होता है. तो designing merging with technology. पहले जो हमने देखा वो visual communication था. अगर हम visual designing की बात करें तो यहाँ पे 3D animation ये सारी चीजें भी आ जाती है. In visual communication is more about photography, so visual designing is more about क्रिएटिंग दैट. फोटोग्राफी में आप किसी चीज़ को क्लिक करते हो, कैप्चर करते हो, और जब आप डिज़ाइनिंग की बात करते हो तो वो चीज़ आप क्रिएट करते हो, वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ हॉर्स फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई, तो वो आप 3D एनिमेशन से क्रिएट करते हो. तो इट्स मर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी विद योर कंसेप्ट. On number 11 is event management. Quite a lot of youngsters and Gen Zs are interested in doing event management, जिसके चलते UG program निकल चुका है पूरा का पूरा event management से related. But I would personally not recommend doing UG in event management. Rather आप mass media कर लो and event में आप internship करो, because event में 3 साल सीखने के लिए बहुत कम चीज़ें हैं. Event is all about practical knowledge, but an art student can do amazing in event management. As a manager, as a marketer, so whatever sector that you are interested in, you can pursue your event management career. And 12th is film studies and cinematography. Yes guys, if you are a brilliant writer, now film studies में एक तो होते हैं movie critic जो कि movie review करते हैं, films को study करते हैं, और दूसरे होते हैं script writers kind of thing who are really talented. So you need to identify कि आप एक director बनना चाहते हो कि cinematographer बनना चाहते हो. Now cinematographer is again merging the camera with the concept of the storytelling. तो यहाँ पे technology आ जाती है. Script writer में thought और आपका communication और writing skill आ जाता है. And when you talk about film studies, is the passion of knowing the film, understanding the craft, that is a thing. So ये जो profile है इसको explain करना in such a big video is very difficult. So again, if you are interested in film studies, do let me know in the comment box below. I'll tell you exact difference क्या होता है, आप किस तरीके से कौन सा कोर्स करके कौन सी प्रोफाइल में जा सकते हो. But definitely yes, film, cinematography and direction can one of the option for the art students. I hope guys the video was informative and you liked the overall option. अगर आपको लगता है कोई और भी option है जो मैंने miss out किया है, please do let me know in the comment box below and do share this video with all the parents and the students who want to know कि आज के बाद करना क्या चाहिए. Also guys, let me tell you, I do one-on-one counseling session. अगर आप confused हो career से related, college से related, कहाँ पे करना चाहिए, क्या कैसे करना चाहिए, you can get in touch with me on this number. आपको just एक WhatsApp message drop करना है. My team will get back to you with all the details. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.